Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. So again. So we are now doing lesson 10 for the female reproductive part 2. Before you start the video, remember to like my video, subscribe my channel, and also share this video to your classmates to make sure they do the revision at home. Let's start. So when the time is right, the baby inside your mother uterus is trying to get out. Your mother uterus is going to contract to push the baby out. But the problem is the opening of the uterus in blue color in here is too narrow, 太窄啦. It is not possible for the baby to get out. So therefore, this opening, it will also change during childbirth. This opening, we call it cervix, 子宮頸. During childbirth, it will dilate, Chinese 擴張. For the opening to become bigger so that the fetus can pass through easily during childbirth. So how big should it be when it is going through the childbirth? Let's take a look at the picture at the bottom here. So if the female, the pregnant woman during labor, 陣痛啦, it is asked to go to the hospital, the doctor, they will try to check how big your cervix is. If your cervix is just 1 cm, such as the doctor put one finger in, it's just too narrow. All right, no, you are not ready for the giving birth. You have to wait. 等下啦. And then later on, like for example, after 30 minutes, the doctor will come back and ask, okay, are you ready? Let's check. He or she, the doctor, will put two fingers into the cervix and check, is the cervix big enough? It's just 2 cm, just two fingers, all right? Too narrow, no way. So after maybe like another 30 minutes or another few hours, the doctor will come and check. All right, so now your cervix opening is 4 cm wide. I can put 4 fingers in. That means, okay, good now. Your cervix is wide enough for the baby head to go through. So you're now ready for the labor. 可以準備去生得啦. And I believe most of you also heard of the name called cervix cancer, 子宮頸癌. It is also a very common cancer happened in women. So therefore, nowadays, the government and also the health department, they have more promotion on how you can prevent the cervix cancer. So this promotion is given by one of the celebrity called Jam, if you know. And for the little baby inside the uterus, when it is trying to get out, it is going through the cervix, and it will also go through the tunnel in here. This tunnel in here, we call it the vagina. Vagina, 陰道. So it is the place for the baby to go through during childbirth, and also this is the place to hold the penis during copulation. Chinese 性交. And in this particular tunnel, this vagina, it also has some acid secretion, that is 酸性嘅分泌啦, to reduce the growth of bacteria. So inside this tunnel, it is a little bit wet, and it is in human temperature 37 degrees Celsius, so it is easy for bacteria to grow. A little bit of acidic secretion in this tunnel, in this vagina, helps to stop the bacteria from growing. And this is, of course, last but not least, is the birth tunnel, 生產道, for the baby to get out. So that's it for all the structure of the female reproductive part, and now I'm going to show you something extra. This is what we call 宮外孕. I think you should know. So what does it mean by 宮外孕? It means when the fetus, 胎兒啦, it is growing outside uterus, such as in the oviduct or in the ovary, 卵巢. And this is very bad and not healthy. Why? Because when the fetus, the baby, grow bigger and bigger day by day, the oviduct is very narrow. The baby is going to grow bigger and break the oviduct. And this is a very bad condition for both the baby and the mother. The baby, they will die, growing in the wrong places. And the mommy with the broken open oviduct is going to harm herself as well. So a picture shown in here, it shows you a very crazy news. This is probably a pregnant woman, oh no, a old woman in 尼泊爾啦. So she has been carrying her baby for 10 years. 陀 B 陀 10 年. Why? Because the baby actually have 宮外孕. It is growing not in the uterus but in the oviduct. It breaks open the oviduct when it grows bigger and then fall out. and then the body covers up the dead baby layer by layer for many years. And now, after 50 years, this is not a living baby. This is what we call a 石英. Okay, it's the dead body of the baby sticking in the belly of the female, and this is not good. Of course, after that, the doctor removed the 石英 from this 尼泊爾 woman. Alright, so this is something interesting I want to share with you. Alright, now, so this is showing you the side view of the female reproductive part. You can take a look at it on your own. Last but not least, I want you to do this classwork, fill in the blanks with the correct words for IJKMN. Alright, so tell me the name using your textbook, flip your book, look for the correct spelling. And then for C and D, please also do it. Put an X on the diagram to show the site of fertilization. Alright, give you 5 seconds, you should know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Of course, you know. It should be somewhere in the oviduct. And then put I in the diagram to show that there is where the embryo implant 着床啦. So you should know the answer should be in the uterus. That's it for this video.